Hi friends and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial, we will learn how to count the number of occurrence or frequency of an element in a sorted array. So here's the problem. Given a sorted array and a number x, we have to write a function that counts the number of occurrences of x in the given array. Let's see a few examples. Suppose we have this input array and we have to find the frequency of 2. So the output will be 4. If we have to count the frequency of 3, it will be 1. Let's see a simple solution to this problem. We linearly search for element x and count the number of its occurrences using a single for loop. The time complexity of this solution is O of n, since we are using linear search. Let's look at a better solution using binary search. First, we binary search to find the first occurrence of x. Let's call it I. Then, we search for the last occurrence of x. Let's call it j. Then the total number of count is j minus I plus 1. To find the first occurrence, we use binary search like this. First, we find mid, which is equal to lower index plus higher index by 2. If the value is at mid and the value just before mid is smaller than x, we return mid. If x is greater than middle value, it means that we will find x after mid. Else, we will find x before mid. If x is not found, we return minus 1. To find the last occurrence, we use binary search like this. First, we find mid, which is lower index plus higher index by 2. If the value is at mid and the value just after mid is greater than x, we return mid. If x is smaller than the middle value, it means that we will find x before mid. Else, we will find x after mid. If it is not found, we return minus 1. Using this function, we will count the occurrence or the frequency. First, we declare I and j and get their value using first and last function we just discussed. In the end, we return j minus I plus 1 as the frequency. Let's apply this algorithm to this example. Suppose we need to find the frequency of 3. We can see that the first occurrence of 3 is at index 3. Last occurrence is at index 6. So the total frequency, which is j minus I plus 1, is 4. The time complexity of this solution is O of log n, since we are using binary search. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comment section.